Today I will be showing you how to download apps in the Google Play Store. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store app.
This is what the Google Play Store app logo looks like. Step 2. Click the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then click Apps. Press the Apps button.
Step 3. Look for the app you want to download. For this example I will be downloading Duolingo. Step 5. Click the app you want to download.
If you are wondering if the app you want to download is free, you'll notice a green install button on the page, which means that it is free.
Step 6. You will press the green install button on the page, and that will start the downloading process. The last step is opening up the app you just downloaded.
And just like that, you are done.